able to see this or not? This one, offline team. Or it's look weird if I talk about the black screen. It's still visible or not visible? Is visible, guys? No? No? Okay. Now, yes, Biswabhushans, what happened? You can chart your questions. I can read it. No, for online team, it's so good, but for offline team, just tools preference. Okay, anyway, I'll just talk about this later part. Let me share the screen. No. Okay, so I hope let's continue yesterday's projects wherever we continue. Yes, guys. So I think yesterday we stopped here. This one we completed? No, right? We just okay. So let's see this, guys. What is meant by reshape? What it will do reshape? What it will do reshape? Okay, please focus on class and then you can do it later, guys, any discussions and all those things. All right, so could you please just recap some part of projects for yesterday? Uday, you were there or not? Okay, so yesterday what we started, I think let's open this one. Okay, this is CNN, not for you. Did I close this one? Just one moment. Let me reopen. See, guys, when you got some error first time, no need to scare. Oh my God, I got error. All right. Just keep calm and understand why I got this error, trying to troubleshoot it. Understand, guys? Yeah. That is the first approach. The moment you got that error, do not go for neighbor's house. How to fix this? Understand? Just go to the Google God and check it out and fix the issue. Isn't it? Okay. So yesterday, what we completed, we just introduced to NumPy and we do some of the masking and some of the functions, indexes, all those things we completed. All right. So yesterday, the project was, so we had some analysis. Let's say you joined a company. In the company, all right, your CEO gave some of work to you. For example, work in the sense they have some player informations like in the basketball, the players are playing and their seasons, which seasons they are playing, how many players, what are the keys and values, and the salary part. All right. And also how many games they played and what are the, how to create a matrix. Everybody clear, guys? Minutes played. And this was the data sets. I gave detailed descriptions yesterday. If I keep on repeating every day, I'll take only 10-minute sessions, which is not make sense, right? So these things I already covered yesterday, and yesterday we do understand some of the, how to call the salary metrics, how to call the games metrics, and how to call the points metrics. Clear, everyone? Okay. Now I hope you see what are the orders we followed in NumPy reshape. How many orders we follow, guys? 3, CFA. Yeah. So 3 orders we followed. Yeah. Those things we completed. Metrics, the difference between comma and slice. Got it, everyone? This one we completed. Now let's go back to the topic, this part. Yeah. So here I create 3 variables. Online team, are you see my screen? Okay. Online team, are you see the screen? Cool. Good. Now let's talk about A1 is variable. Welcome to data science. A2 required hard work. A3 1 2 3, isn't it? Yeah. So 3 variable I created. First variable A1. Do you know what is the rules to define identifier? Yes or not, guys? I told you. So can this be identifier or not? Yes, of course, yes. If I write 1A, is it works or not? Its own work. Yeah. So A1 equals to welcome to data science, A2 equals to required hard work, and A3 1 2 3. Let's run it. And now welcome to data science. This is a list. Yes guys. And now can I add true in the list? Yes, you can add. Correct. But now I wanted to say np.array A1 A2 A3. You get output guys. You got this type of informations, right? Cool. Let's talk. When I execute games, what informations I'll get? What informations? Games metrics. Metrics means how many games the player has played from last 10 years. Understand? So games means, did you see, if you check about the games here, just one moment. Did you see games? So this guy played 80 games on 2005 and 77 on 2006. And 2014, he played 35 games, isn't it? So this games metrics, I will get an output. Clear or not? Now what I'm going to do, let's copy. And in the meantime, I will store here. Control this one, right? Now let's go back to this one here. Let's execute games matrix. Yep. Anyone tell me what is meant by games of zero? What is meant by this one? What is output guys for line number 31? Zero row means complete row informations. Yes, array 80, 77. Got it or not guys? I hope you understand what exactly 80 to 35. That's right, Chandrahash. Now let's say games of 2 means second row, isn't it? Games. Now let's understand this one. What is output of games? Second row and ninth column. What's output? Second row and ninth column. 69. Where do you got 80? This is 0th 1 2. Yeah, understand or not? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Understand or not guys? Yeah. Now 2 minus 1. Games matrix of second row and minus 1 column. 0 1 2. What is minus 1? Understand? Yeah. So now let's close this one. And points. Can I get points table? Points matrix? Yes, we get points matrix. Points of 0. What is output? Online team. What is the first row? Isn't it? First row. Points. Let's talk about the point. Yesterday I told you how to get the columns informations as well. Yep. You need to decide a variable, rows and columns, and you can filter the values, right? Okay. Now points, all these things you can points 6 comma 1, 6th row and 1 column. That's anyway, you know this one. You can count and give me the answer. That's okay. Minus 6 and minus 1. Anybody? Minus 6 comma minus 1. Line number 40. Minus 6 and minus 1. Okay, this is too big. All right, this one is fine. Yeah. Minus 6 minus 1. Okay, correct. 646. Got it? Yep, guys. Good. You know, dictionaries we completed well. Yeah, in dictionaries we have keys and values. You know this one. Let me assign key 1 value 1, keys 2 values 2, and key 3 value 3, and I hold a variable called dictionary 1, isn't it? Now let's run this one and we get all the values. Now when I execute key 2, what's the output? Value 2, right? Now this is all basic one. I hope you can complete this one. Same things, guys. This is quite normal informations. I don't want to talk about this. Let's talk about, yeah, so Chandrahash, Bishwal and Rakshayani, can you please write your questions, please? And also any questions, please write your questions in the chat board. I can open my chat board so that I can see if you have any questions. Clear? And second thing, yesterday I request my support team, you guys have to enter all of your questions here. It's not that I only reply to the questions. Maybe you got, you know the answer, you can reply back over to the questions. Yeah, because we all are team. Everybody's team. Online is a team, offline is a team, everybody is a team. It's not that we all are colleague. So friend in need, a friend indeed. Yeah, you should help with each other. Understand, guys? Clear, everyone? All right, now let's get back to the work. Games metrics. So here, P dictionary co-brand. I mean, let me, players dictionary. Let's talk about this one. This is players dictionary. Co-brand is at which value, guys? So can I get the value is 0? Understand or not? Everybody's clear what I'm saying? Everybody's clear what I'm saying? See, if you see this players dictionary co-brand. So if I open this sheet, do you have the players dictionaries over here? And when I execute co-brand, I got output as 0. And I wanted to know games of 0. How many games he played? Just you need to enter games and 0. Let's check. 80, 77, 82. Now let's open this one. Games. Now, do you remember yesterday you joined a company and your CEO asked you, today he will come back and ask what analysis you have done so far. Sir, this is what done. Then do you think CEO will happy about your work? Do you think CEO will happy about your work, guys? No, right? Online team. Understand or not what exactly I'm speaking? Yeah. Just can you please silent, please? Yeah. So predict Derrick Rose. In this one, where exactly the Derrick Rose we will get over here? Derrick Rose, which dictionaries? Let's talk about predict, maybe somewhere over here. 8th, yeah? 8th index now. 8th. If you check which games, how many games he played, all these informations we will get. Clear, guys? Understand? So the same things you will get. So players dictionary, Derrick Rose, same values you will get. I mean, how many on 8th index, how many games he played, you get to know all the informations. Okay. Now let's talk about what kind of visualizations we're going to make from here. Points, you get the points matrix and points of players dictionary Johnson. So you wanted to know how many players Johnson at which index, guys? Let's talk about which values. Let's go up. I think 1. Yes. So how many players games he played? I think you get all these. I mean, all the points. How many points he made, guys? Let's scroll down. Let's check 1653142 6. You get this one? Clear or not, everybody? Yeah. Now the same things you can find out, guys. I mean, how many at which values they are at this player and which year. The 2009, 2005, 6, 7 is 4th value, right, guys? Understand or not? Now let's talk about salary. You got to know what is 2nd row and 4th column. Very simple. 2nd row, 4th column. I don't ask this. You can find out this one. And also you can find players' salary informations. Labor jumps at which index? Okay. And 2009. If you calculate all these things, this is what the value you can find out. So these things, what I want you to do, please practice on your notebook today. Definitely you get understand, guys. Okay. So do not do research right now. What is meant by research? I give some task. You go and check Google and try to multiple things and don't be crazy with the Google now. Okay. Google will make you crazy. Understand? So I hope you understand. So very simple principle. I give you something, please work. The output is be very beautiful. Understand, guys? Because let's see, my few students, they are just a college students. What kind of projects they prepared? Let me show you projects. She's a chemical or some non-technical student. She prepared these projects, guys. Yeah, switch on modeling neural networks. Do you want to prepare like this or not, guys? Yes. So if you prepare, so she build model, she build predictions, she done these things. Now she go for a resume part. She already done the resume. Now she's gonna update it on portal. Clear? Understand, guys? So everybody wants to stay with me. All these sessions you're going to work, just focus on my work. When I say work, then start work. Till the time, do not touch laptop right now when the session is going on. Clear? So normally I would request access support team to please give me the access, and so that my students, they have any questions, they have to discuss with each other, right? Understand, guys? That's what the platform is open now. Clear? Let's talk about this one. Field goals means what I should get. Field goals matrix, games matrix, right? Now I wanted to know how many games a player made one goal. Each and every player. See, this matrix is a lot of decimal points, you can round it. So let's say field goals by game. For example, a player 2005, he played 978 games. Understand? Sorry, field goals. And from how many games? 80 games. Did you see 978? And let's scroll down. 80 games, right? So if anybody wants to know how many goal he made at one game, what you need to do? Divide it, field goals by games. Understand or not? Online team? Online team, are you understand? Yes, guys. Very simple. Very simple. Let's run this one. Still the code is executing, it seems. Yeah, just one moment. No? Okay. Let me run this one. Okay, got it. You get per game, this player, he made 12 games, 12 goals per game, 12 goals per game. So goals cannot be 0.225, right? So if you write exam, if I say you got score of 98% 35, is it a make sense? This decimal does not make sense, right? This decimal does not make sense. So what exactly we're gonna do? We just, do you know what round functions do? We'll make a round it. Yeah, round means, so how do you use this? Very good. np.round field goals by games. Very simple. Up to 67. Everybody understand or not? See, buddy, round what exactly happened? The 5.2 will become 5. 5.2 become 5. That's what the round will do. Up to 67. This is not some of the codes which is, I'm not started algorithms yet. I'm not started machine learning yet. I'm not started anything yet. This is just a basic codes which they teach in the international schools as well. Understand, online team? Everybody's clear? 67. Now, if you say your CEO come back and ask you, hey buddy, what you doing? You said, sir, I understand the data. Yeah, what you say? I need some more output very soon, so that the CEO will talk to the business leaders, all right, to know the customers. I mean, I talk about this one, right? A client, you got basketball client, you are a company CEO and you are a data analyst. You are joined as a data analyst. You have to send some reports to him. CEO will send the reports to the business analyst, right? Isn't it? This is what they need to do in the organizations. Let's talk about, let's talk about. Excellent. Pawan, correct. Yeah. Now, none, never, none always be none. If any values means if a player does not play game, these functions won't work out, isn't it? If a player does not play game, these functions doesn't work out. Okay. Now, let me start with the first visualizations today. All right. Let's start with the first visualizations. Let me tell you, NumPy and NP, you know this one. Today, I am going to introduce very important package called matplotlib. Okay. What I'm going to import, the very important package is called matplotlib. So what is meant by matplotlib? So matplotlib used for visualizations. Yeah. And Seaborn used for Seaborn used for advanced visualizations, right? NumPy used for multi-dimensions arrays. Understand or not? Correct. And pandas used for data frame. Pandas used for data frame. I hope you got it, what I'm saying. Isn't it, guys? Clear or not? Good. Pandas used for data frame. Let's talk about this one. So no matter what, you are a expert data scientist or a freshers, everybody have to use this 4 package. Everybody has to use the 4 package. No need to write down, guys. I'll share this note and that time we can write. It's your choice. All right. I hope you're clear. Now, I wanted to combine NumPy with Matplotlib. Then only the visualizations will be created. Yeah. If I give you only roti, will you eat roti? No, right? You need roti with curry. The same way, we need to make visualizations with NumPy and Matplotlib. Makes sense or not? And also you can add Seaborn over here. Also you can add Seaborn it. But let me tell you, let's execute this one now. Matplotlib inline. Inline means I'm saying whatever the visualizations I'm getting, that should be plot inside the graph. Inside the graph. That's why we called as Matplotlib inline. Clear? Up to this, everybody's clear? Yes, team? Online? Okay. Now salary. Entire salary matrix is done. Salary of 0 means what, guys? First row. PLT means what? PLT means what? Matplotlib. What is meant by PLT, guys? Matplotlib. Yeah. So plt.plot, copy this and paste here, run. Did you see we got a graph or not? We got a graph or not? Online team, let's check this one. PLT, very good, Rihan. It's alias name, shortcut name. Yeah, you no need to type Matplotlib every time. You just have to mention PLT. Understand or not? Can anyone tell me what exactly mean by x-axis and y-axis? Online team, what is x-axis and y-axis in the graph? Very good. X-axis is season and y-axis is salary. Correct. Did you see salary? But you may ask a question, sir, salary 159, 177 is there, but why they got 1.6? Because few things you need to understand. So 150, it starts from 150, 1.6 means 160, 1.8 means 180, 2.0 means 200, 2.2 means 220, 2.4 means 240. Got it or not, everyone? Now, the first graph you can show to the CEO, okay? Being a data analyst, you have to speak to the leaders. What you speak, guys, by look at this graph? Any patterns, any insight you find from the graph? Online team, any patterns? Anybody in the group? So Sumit said it's keep on increasing till 7th season, and then it is decline. Is it correct, guys? Online team, is it correct? That is the first pattern. I can write here. The first pattern from the graph is, can I see the insight? This is called insight number 1, isn't it? What else? What else? Salary decline. Are you saying salary is declined at 7th season, isn't it? At 7th season. Now, what exactly, what anybody's other findings? Very good. To the salary decrease after 7th season. Let's copy and paste here. That's what, both are same, right? What is insight number 2? Insight number 2. Anybody? Where saturated? 5th to still it's a good performance. Can I say that? So can I write down other statement, other insight? Can I write like this as the player, the salary is keep on increasing, isn't it? Keep on increasing till 7th, and then it decreases. Understand or not? Yes or not, guys? I hope you see the graph. Is the player is consistent performance or not? Can I say is the player is consistent performance? This is called insight. So the player is consistent performance till 7, but that's okay. That's okay. Maybe okay. This is the 3 insight. Now, when you show this graph to the CEO, he will say, "I don't understand what you see this." Let's say tomorrow India match is going on, and if you got only line, maximum salary is at 7th season, right, Abhishek? Maximum salary he got at 7th season. Very good. So can I say these are the insight? Are you able to understand or not? Will you able to find out that insight from Excel sheets? Can you find out, guys? No. The max salary is how much? 3, I mean, some at 7th, right? Now let's talk about another plot. Very simple. PLT dot plot salary 0. Salary 0 means what? First player. Yeah. Color red. This is this color given by your matplotlib, right? Now I wanted to change the color blue to red. Let's run it. You get it? Open images, new tab. Same informations, but I'm changing the colors. Understand or not? Same graph, but I'm changing the colors. Online team, are you understand or not? Yes, Uday, Avinav, Washim, Ajad, all the team members. So look at this code, plt.plot, you know this one. Salary 0, you know this one, comma, color red. Tell me, guys, how many of them not understand this code? Then I wouldn't say anything. Understand or not? Clear, guys? Now let's talk about, let me increase the figures. Let me increase the figures. Matplotlib inline means all the graph should plot inside the box. Yeah. plt.rc params figure size. This you need to remember. Remember means to want to increase the figure size. Let's run it. Now let's check. I mean, I set a path that width is 8 and length is 6. Understand or not? Or sorry, length is width and width is 6. This is what I signed. RC param means this is the sum of the parameters. Let's talk about, this is the parameter you need to declare. Let's talk about this one. You need to declare two figures should be keep on increasing and decrease. Yes, Washim? Now I'll show you what is meant by that. Same things. Now I wanted to change this one red to blue and ls means line style. So very simple, plt.plot salary 0, color blue, line style. I don't need this type of line. I need the 2. Did you see, Washim, the figure is increasing? Check this one and compare this one. Understand or not? 8,6 means length is 8 and width is 6. Understand everyone, guys? Same graph, line style. I need the line style, this one. So if you check this one, let's scroll down. Just keep down. You just have some little bit informations about the packages, what exactly it will do. Clear, guys? Parameters, lot of things. If you search all those things, you never complete the course. All right. If you have a time, then that's okay. You keep on searching. It's not required, guys. Understood or not, everyone? Clear this part? Good. What is default size? You do not mention automatically the size come up. You don't need to worry what is the default size. Okay, this would be the default sizes. All right. Yes, buddy. Now let's talk about, I'm saying, understand this line style. Now the next topic would be create the plot for the salary. Okay. First player, I need the color green, line style 2 dots, give me marker S. S means square shaped. S means So also full form of the parameters. Yeah. So also when you do this one, let's run this one. Now this is makes more sense. It makes more sense, isn't it? Why guys it makes more sense? Anybody? Because this points indicates seasons, right? Yeah, every point 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008 and 2009, and marker means you don't know, Durga Prasad, what is meant by marker? Is it really? Marker means, see, you are play cricket, all right, you mark you are where exactly you keep your bat, isn't it? So that's called a marker, means one line. Two identifications, what I'm doing, very simple. You don't, I hope you understand, buddy. Marker means it's showing. You keep these changes. Yes, Durga Prasad, understand? Yeah. Now let's go back to this one. See, very simple. Did you see 8, 6? What exactly happened? The plot size. Let me reduce to 6 and 6. Let's check now. It's decreased now, correct? Now it is decrease. Got it now? It's better, isn't it? Let's keep it like this. Now I don't want to run this one. I don't want to make 10 and 8. Yeah. Now let's see this. Whatever marker, this is by default markers. Understand? This is by default markers. Correct. Now, when you scroll this one, plt dot plot salary, everybody understand up to this one, right? Now I just add ms equals to 8. ms, where do you got this parameter, sir? Where do you got these parameters? Just click here, shift tab. Did you see different informations you will get over here, guys, right? If you scroll down, plot xy, okay, and label data x level, y level, okay guys, all those things you can get. So at this moment, being a beginner, just follow me what I'm saying. See guys, very simple questions I just wanted to say. If you're LKG student, if I talk about 5th grade concepts, you don't understand, right? You have to promote LKG to UKG and then first, second, third. So when you give time for practicing, definitely it would be easy task for you. You are asking these questions now. Let me tell you everyone, maybe few questions you have, asking these questions. After 1 month, you only give me answer. Make sense or not? Just spend some time what you are doing. Clear or not, guys? Now let's do this. Let's do this. My MS means micro size equals to 8. Let's do this. This square marker, the size is, it will increase or decrease. Let's talk about 8 becomes 15. Now let's run. What exactly happened? It's increased. Now let's say 15 becomes 150. What happened? Wow, now makes sense. Yep, this is not make sense. So what I'm gonna do, I will change to 10. Cool, guys, got it or not, everybody? Yes, Yashin? Exactly, Yashin, that's right. Long form. Micro size, guys, micro size, okay? Okay. Now let's talk about list range 0 to 10. What exactly mean by this? List range 0 to 10. What is meant by this, guys? It will value 0 to 9, right? Here, if you see this x-axis, I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, isn't it? Now, when I explained you, I talk a keys and values over here. 2005 means 0, 2006 means 1, 2007 means 2, 2008 means 3, and keep going on, isn't it? Yes or not? Everything's, guys. Now, let me add this one here. PLT plot salary, color green, line style 2 lines, marker square shaped, size 7, plot dot xticks. Xticks means what? X-axis. List range 0 to 10, seasons. When I talk about seasons, this is what is meant by seasons. 0 means 2005 will print, 1 means 2006 will print, 2007 will print. Make sense what I'm saying? Make sense, guys? Yeah. Now let plot dot show means show the visualizations. Open images, new tab. Understand, guys? Understand? Now it's much better understanding about the visualizations, much better understanding. Agree or not agree, everybody? Understand this one? Yeah. Now can you say, sir, 2013 the maximum salary is at 2013, but the salary is very low at 2015. His performance is keep on increasing till 13 and then decrease suddenly at 14. Now your CEO is impressed on your work. CEO is impressed on your upcoming, keep on work. Now I wanted to change same code, horizontal or vertical, this one? Horizontal or vertical? Horizontal. Now let me change to season rotations to vertical. Now let's check this. Open images, new tab. Got it or not? Yes, Yashin, Azad, Wasim, everybody? You got this, guys? Now I want everybody to plot this type of graph on your machines, on your systems, and let's do this. All right, guys. Are you able to understand? You can able to see that? Yeah. Constant salary. Yeah. Now let's check this part. Plot.show. Now label players 0. I wanted to know for salary 0, players 0. How many players graph is this? How many players graph? How many salary informations of this? Only one salary, right? To compare two players, how to do this? Copy everything and paste over here, change 0 to 1, all right? And label also player 0 to 1, okay? And let's say I don't want square shapes because square shapes belongs to first player. Now let's change to O shape. Yeah, circle shape, isn't it? And a micro size, let's 10. And let me increase little bit figure size over here. Let's just one moment. Just one moment. 10. Run this one. Now let's go back to here. Yeah. Comparison between two plot. Run. What kind of analysis, guys? Anybody? What kind of analysis you got now for this one? Online team. Any insight from this graph when you compare between two players' informations with salary? First player salary is higher compared to second player. Okay, that is the first insight. What is second insight? Which one? See, last 2014 both has at same point. Who is consistent performance, guys? Okay, second player has consistent performance. Can we understand this kind of things? Now, when you inform these things to CEO, CEO will inform to the business, and in a company, business analyst will ask you questions, why this player had suddenly down? That is the first. This is not your task. You are a developer. You build this and send it to other one. You tell them, this is what my task is done. You have to talk to the business team why his performance is so down, right? This is the question mark you should put on them and they will discuss. That's the way business discussion is going on. Understand, guys? Everybody's clear or not? What is the data analyst do? Data analyst visualize, and all the time remember, in future you should not point fingers on your way. You should put a question mark to others. Understand? So your part is done. You should be safe. Clear? Everybody's clear what I'm talking about? So in this case, I hope you understand the consistent performance is second player, not the first one. But compared to salary, who is at highest? Compared to salary, who is at highest? Why? Another question mark to the business. Another question mark to the business. Why this player has highest salary rather than this. What is the reason? Maybe he's expert, maybe he's experienced candidate, maybe he's a freshers, maybe that also like that, right? This is all these things you can do. So this is the comparison between two graph, but see what's still thinks something is missing from the graph. Okay, something is missing. What exactly missing? Let's understand. So I have 3-player comparison. I have 3-player comparison now. Yeah. What is inside now for the 3-player comparison? What kind of insights from 3-player comparison? Do you see guys any fine? Did you see third player has lowest salary? Okay. Blue purple overlap at some time. All right, Uday. But did you see guys third player increased with second? Very good. In 2006 to 2007, I don't understand what exactly who was coach at that time between this year, why his performance damn good, okay, compared to other player. See this incline, guys. Very huge incline, isn't it? On 1 year. But after that, there is no incline. Why? What is the question mark? Who will decide this one? This decided by business analyst team. So when you explain this to your team, they will ask to the client. That is the way you got impressed in your company and you got highlighted over there. Yeah, that's called as a good work. Agree or not? Everybody's clear? So this is what the data analyst will do inside the organizations, guys. This is a small data set. I just trying to explain you. Please work on few things and then close it and then get back to the another topic as well. Pandas, right? Now let's say the 4-player comparison. This is the how it looks like. Same. So little zoom out the screen. Yeah. Did you see this one? Zoom out or zoom in? See, if you see this one, everything is same for first player, square shape, second player, circle shape, third player, triangle, and fourth player diagonal. So did you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. But very important thing I wanted to introduce called legend. What exactly mean by legend? So if I show this one to someone, they will confuse. You have to explain. The moment when you visualize, you don't need to explain. See guys, the moment when you watch cricket matches, does someone is explaining you or you understand by yourself? You understand by yourself, right? The same way, when you send this graph to your support team, business team, they have to understand by themselves, isn't it? So to understand, they won't do this. So that's why you need to add the concepts called legend. Very simple. Legend indications. Very good, Chakri. Let's run this one. Let's check. Got it now? So I mean, this color belongs to co-brand. This, I mean, am I mention anything here to my code? By default, system is, the all credit goes to NumPy. All credit goes to NumPy, guys. Plot.legend means it gives you the detailed informations of a player. Third and fourth starting salary same, correct? You can get multiple hidden patterns. Understand or not, guys? See, in the group, different people gives different informations. That's all called insight. Yes, Avinav? Understand or not? If I compare on 1-year analysis, 2016 to 2007, I should go for rating to this guy. I mean, the both third and fourth, isn't it? There were very good high inclinations within 1 year. Understand or not? Now, the next part, did you see this one? Let's close all of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this one. Now, by default, it gives, all the values called 4-player comparison. B box to locations upper left. I want that box plot. What is meant by box? This box, whatever created by legend. All right. I wanted to move this box here and there. I wanted to move the box here and there. So that's what locations. Just click here and shift tab plus. Just check this one, legend labels. Yeah, and scroll down, exploits, level via methods. Okay, and you can little bit more research on this, guys, then to find out. Did you see locations? Just now I mentioned locations, LOC, isn't it? In LOC, what exactly best for access? Upper right for figures, isn't it? The location is legend. The strings upper left, upper right, lower left, lower right. Can I mention this one? Understand or not, guys? Everyone, how to find out these options? So these things you need little bit expert on this one, little bit, not more than that. And don't spend more time over here, because in interview, nobody will ask the questions, how to find lower left on locations. Nobody will ask this one, guys. Understand? Just to build a confidence within you, this is what you require. Okay. See, best 0, upper right 1, upper left. See this? Upper left 10 means all the values parameters you can given up here, isn't it, guys? You can pass that well. Boundary box to anchor. Did you see I pass an variable boundary box to anchor? So what exactly it will do? It's change the placements. Let's see this run. This looks good, isn't it? I mean, if you look at this, all the legend informations you will get outside of the plot. Yes, Washim? Yes, Pawan, Chakri, everyone, guys. Clear or not? Boundary box to anchor means, I mean, you can place, did you see 1, 0? And if I wanted to change 0, 1, okay, 0, 1, let's run this one. Where are you getting all these informations? But this is not good, because this boundary box anchor is overlap with the graph, isn't it? Overlap with the graph. So this is not that much important. And the same way, if I compare the 9 player informations, can we see how the graph looks like? It looks very weird. So for big data, we must need to go for Tableau or Power BI. But just try to understand for comparison for all the graph. See the best, this is the way it looks like. But that's okay. This is the first way of visualizations we started today, guys, isn't it? This is the power of NumPy. Okay. And in machine learning, we build a lot of computer visions projects using NumPy. Just practice few things, whatever I'm giving, that's good enough. Understand, guys? Will you practice today? Everyone, will you practice today? And tomorrow I will start. So what we completed so far is metrics, building metrics, dictionaries, visualizations using PyPlot, basketball analysis. Let's complete this one projects, because you can also create a PowerPoint slide from here, guys. How to create a PowerPoint slide? Open a PowerPoint. Let's copy this graph. The way she done, make a project, keep your project's name like this. Just one moment. Just 1 second. Please share this on Classroom. Definitely, but guys, did you see in real time also where I work one of company? So Mary quality article clustering. This is a NLP data. So you mentioned the project name is pattern and trends using NumPy. For a data analyst, put your name and what is the agenda, what you're trying to do. Let's copy one graph here and mention some of the key points, what you got, what's your analysis. And if you want, you can upload in the classroom. Let me review. Understand or not? You can upload in the classroom. No, sir, I don't have time. I don't want to upload. No problem, guys. I'm not the one here who give you a mark. You correct or not, that's your choice. It's your work. You practice or not, that's your task. I explained to you. If you done, then things would be so clear. Got it what I'm saying? Everybody's clear, guys? Now also, you can post your questions over here. The link is open. I think I discussed with them. Yeah. Okay, let me share this on Classroom. Understand or not, guys? So at this moment, I gave you 4 tasks. If you check this, scroll down. Task one is 118 pages book. No need to complete on one day. Okay. No need to complete, sorry, in one day. Every day take 15 minutes. Every day take 15 minutes for this one, right? The next one, basic code. Please complete this. Data structures and NumPy crash codes. No, no, no. This should be the data structures already, another one. And task 4 would be the NumPy. Task 5 becomes your what else? Patterns and trends. Okay, so this would be the projects. There is no task, this one. Sorry. Clear, guys, up to this? Everybody's clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please complete this or else leave this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another thing I just wanted to ask you, I do understand online team, offline team. There are a lot of them does not understand how to upload the softwares. Till now, how many of them not install the software? Honestly, raise your hands. The one who not done yet. If you take things light, this is first step of lose the codes. As I said, do you remember? Right now 30, after 1 month 20, after 1 month 10, last week only 5. I don't want my kids to be like that, guys, trust me. So just complete this and cross verify with me. Clear, guys? Okay, that's it for today's sessions. Tomorrow I will talk about another things. Everybody's clear or not? Everybody's clear? Okay. Now, any three, can you introduce yourself? Any three online team, let's me paste it quick. The one who already gave, just ignore, guys. The one who already gave, do not give every day. Okay, my notepad will be filled. I told you, right? The format, name, informations, and all these things. Not name, buddy. I need these informations. One second, Mohammed. Offline team, any questions for you? Can you please start, introduce your name? I don't know your name. What's your name, buddy? Shiva. So what's total experience are you working? Freshers. What's your background? 2019 BTech. BSc. Just one moment. Just give me online team 1 second. Shiva, right, buddy? Yeah. BSc, MSCS. Prior to that, nothing. So when you 2019, 2019. So 2 years. Are you working somewhere? Okay. So let's talk about this one. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks, Shiva. Anything else? Any certified? No. Which background? MSc means, is it technical? Statistics. Wonderful. So you're good at stats then. If I ask questions, they will answer all the questions. Huh? Okay, let's see. Okay, any questions, ask to this guy, Shiva, okay? MSCS. All right, thanks, Shiva. What's your name, dear? Pooja, okay. Yes, Pooja, please tell me. What's your pass out? When do you pass out? Last year, 2000 freshers. Due to COVID, she don't get job, guys, yeah? 2021. Which background you're from, may I know, please? BCom. BC or BCom? BCom, you have computers? Okay, cool. All right. Any questions? All is going fine, right? You download all the codes and your Anaconda, everything. You also, buddy, Shiva? Okay. Thank you. So next two will speak. Okay, you continue because you are the three guys are there. So let's complete. Sai, Prahalad. All right. 1 second, online team. Please, buddy, go ahead. 2021 mechanical. Do you know, have you ever checked what is the opening for data analysis, guys, in LNT? Please try to check. Okay. And how many hours you study every day for the practical sessions? Please try to spend at least 3 hours in a day. All right. And then we can solve the things. Okay. So we will discuss rest of them, guys, for everyone. Okay. For everyone, we will discuss like this and we close. Okay, just one moment, Sushma, BSc Math. 1 second, Sushma. Okay, let's copy this one and 12. Sumit, this one is updated. The link is updated. All right, please start working and upload. Okay, I'll give you something. All right, guys, Vinod Kumar. No, online team, if you give 15, I can take only 3, everyone. Just 1 second, 13. Yeah, Vinod, I mentioned, very good. The way Vinod mentioned, I want everybody to like this, okay? Civil engineering, 14th. Everybody is scared to work on this civil engineering because of sun, huh? Because okay, just one moment. Today practice, oh, I'm sorry. Okay, that's it. Let me share today's class notes over here. I think I forgot to mention, isn't it? Let me do it. 1 second, Wasim, I already done. Okay, that's okay, Wasim, no problem. I know you, right? That's good enough. Okay, done, guys. Thanks so much. So every day we'll take three sessions, three members introductions. Then I will close the introductions. Okay. Yeah. Bye. April month. What is the date today? 5th and 6th. One second. Online team, any questions? Yeah, Ajad, no problem. We'll talk. Folder. Okay. Ajad, just 1 second. Thank you, dear. Now, one moment. Online team, anybody wants to speak? Just give me 2 people's introductions. I will I will mention all the details. Can you hear me, guys? You can raise your hand so that I can, sir, all components are to working fine. Jupyter notebook download, upload to fine. Very good, Arshad. Very good, Arshad. Yes, Vishwal, Shiva, Sinduri, please go ahead. You can talk to me now. Shiva, please go ahead.
Sir.
Yeah, please.
On day one, data types and data structures, the basic code, sir. On BEF equal to 4.6, definition equal to 4.6 in caps, sir, small letters.
Can you please ask your questions in here, Shiva, over here? This one, let me post here. Yeah, okay, you can post, I will address you, or anybody can help you. Avinav, Python is be there till last. Okay, wait, Avinav, let me unmute you. Yes, Avinav, please go ahead. Just one moment.
Yes, sir, I have posted.
Yeah, so I'll get back to you later, but yes, Avinav, unmute you. Yes, anybody have any questions? Please go ahead, quick. It's time up.
Sir, Python is completed.
Yeah, Avinav, please go ahead. What's your question, Sinduri?
Python is completed, sir. Basic and advanced.
Nobody. Python is all the time. Python is not. NumPy is Python only. Yeah. Pandas is Python only. All right. Machine learning also will work in Python only. The basics we completed. Data type and data structures we completed. Okay. Okay, Avinav.
Thank you.
Can you hear me or not?
Yeah.
Your voice is too low. If you not hear me, then please fix your net connections. Please work on the attached project list. Okay, let's post. Please work on it and let me know, guys. Okay. Archana, sorry, can you please talk to the support team? Yeah, might be start from next week, as I mentioned. Not next week. I don't know when this will be complete. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow. Any questions, please post here. I will review it. I hope you got access to post the questions over here, and let's fix it. Yes, Induri, please. What's your question? Okay, Akansh. Thanks, Akansh. Please work hard and definitely will make it possible. And I will share with your numbers. Please take down the numbers, not for calling every time, for project and all those things. After the class also, you required me for that reasons. Yes, Akansh, thank you so much. See you tomorrow and have a great day. From where I can collect videos, Akansh, can you please collect video from support team? I will share maybe after 2 weeks. Yeah. Okay, Washim. No problem. No one is, buddy, they will respond. Just give some time. They're busy with some of work, it seems. I will tell them, Akansha. Yeah. Drop an email to nareshite@supportit.com. Clear? Thank you so much. It's time up. See you. Catch you next tomorrow, guys. Thank you. Sir, how to create a PPT? This is common questions, buddy. Akansha, I will update them. You trying from 1 week? Very sad. Very sad. Okay, I will talk to them. I'll check to them. Definitely. Ajad, very simple. Go to Microsoft and create PPT. Anyone help to Ajad? How to create a PPT file, guys? Anybody? Okay. Thank you. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.